Welcome back to Rich Infra Group. Today we are exploring one of the most premium upcoming projects in Gurgaon. Adore the Select Premia Sector 77 Phase 2. In this video, we'll walk you through the builder's pedigree, the project's location, the neighboring developments, the connectivity via expressways and highways, and of course, what sets it apart from other projects in Sector 77, and of course, all the apartment key specs and amenities. Let's dive in. First, who is behind the project? The developer is Adore Realtech Private Limited, part of Adore Group, founded in 2015 by two entrepreneurs, Mr. Kaptan Singh and Jitesh Gupta. Over the years, they've delivered residential, commercial, and mixed-use developments. Their strength lies in modern architecture, attention to quality, and placing the customer's need at the heart of their project design. On to the Select Premia itself, it is a luxury residential project in Sector 77, Gurgaon. Phase 1 is completely sold out, which includes tower number 1, 2, 3 and 4. Phase 2 is currently in pre-launch, which includes tower number 5, 6 and 7. The tower height is tilt plus 31 floors in Phase 2. The signature unit we are focusing on is a 4 BHK configuration, which includes 4 bedrooms, 4 toilets, 1 dress room, 1 powder room and a service utility room. Roughly 2800 square feet built up, which includes 6 ACs, wardrobes, modular kitchen. The layout is 4 apartments per core, meaning only 4 units on a floor. Each tower has 4 elevators, which are all smart card access elevators. And on ground floor, there is no vehicular movement. Talking about the clubhouse, there is a 65,000 square feet ultra luxury clubhouse, which offers you many amenities like swimming pool, gym, spa, etc. This project offers you almost 70% of the total project as a green space. And the principal architect of this project is none other than the Hafiz contractor. Now, why Sector 77 and what's around it? It is a rapidly growing luxury residential micro market in Gurgaon. Surrounding and neighboring projects are also high-end, with similar premium flats, large land parcels, green belts, etc. It is also close to essential services like hospitals, reputed schools, malls, lifestyle hubs. Aravali Hills are also nearby, giving you a scenic and quieter feel even inside a city. One of the biggest selling point of this project is its connectivity. Here are 5 to 6 major highways, expressways and road links that make this location very strategic. Number 1, NH8. Then आपका Dwarka Expressway, SPR, Golf Course Extension Road, the Sona Road, the airport access. Everything seems very flexible. Coming to the pricing, the base price is just 15,000 rupees per square feet for a 4 BHK. It also includes some of the inaugural discounts and TPR, which can be discussed on call. The base price includes EDC, IDC, car parking, clubhouse membership. The payment plan you get is a construction linked payment plan, means CLP. So you can pay as the construction progresses. If you're serious about premium living and see this as a dream home or a high potential investment, now is the time to invest in Phase 2 of Adore the Select Premia Sector 77. If you're looking for a project in Sector 77, this project deserves your attention. Do hit like and subscribe and write your questions in the comments. I'll try to answer them. For more property dives and investment friendly content, stay tuned. Thanks for watching.